A god with a weapon, a dog as a friend, and an offering of toddy. This is Sri Muttappan. Ready to meet him? Today, we are not just drawing, we are bringing the spirit of Theyyam to life through digital art. We begin with the concept, the Thiruvappana form, intense, ancient, and protective. Let's lay down the foundational shapes of the crown, the posture, and the powerful gaze. The legend begins on the river. A divine child found in a basket, adopted by the local chieftain. He was a radical, a revolutionary boy who loved hunting. When you see the ritualistic performance, it represents a divine personified presence. You see him in two forms, Thiruvappana or Valiya Muttappan, who is considered the manifestation of Lord Vishnu, and the accompanying Vellatam or Cheriya Muttappan, who is seen as Lord Shiva. When his parents challenged his ways, the boy revealed his true, powerful form and left home. He became the protector, traveling and serving the poor. I am using a deep yellow for the face to contrast with the vibrant red and gold of the costume. The Theyyam performer is the channel through which the god speaks, and today, digital art is our channel. Remember, when illustrating a living deity like this, the lighting needs to be dramatic. We are going to light him from below and behind, like a theater stage, to emphasize the performance. I hope this gave you a new perspective on this incredible tradition. If you want to see more long form art and deep dives into mythology, click that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which mythological figure should I draw next.